this jacket. And I bet you're wondering why half of my face is covered up. I will tell you. Because today I'm doing 2 different looks with 2 eyeshadows. Daytime and nighttime. Let's go to work. Let's go to an evening dinner or party or something. So if you would like to see how I did this, then stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. If you are wondering what I'm wearing on my face, I'm actually wearing Sassy and Chic BB cream. BB kind of wore off because I used it a lot. But I took the shade, what is the shade? You know what? It doesn't say. But this is the light shade. And this is like the medium shade. And I mixed them together to get my shade. But these I got at the Dollar Tree. And look, my skin looks great, right? Yeah, so that is what I used. So we, as you know from the title, doing 2 looks, 2 shadows, day to night. So I'm going to use, oh my goodness, I got eyelash glue on this. My 18 color baked eyeshadow palette, Galaxy Chic by BH Cosmetics. And let's see, actually, first I need to prime my eyes. I gotta open my new primer by none other than E.L.F. Oh, there we go. Now we are going to bust into this baby. And we're gonna grab a bunch of brushes. We are just gonna grab a ton of brushes. I don't know if we're gonna need that one. Feeling warm in here. The lighting is a little different because the sun is out. Shocker. Okay, so we are going to start. Well, we're gonna use Mars right up there. That nice little brown. And we are just going to take a crease brush by E.L.F. Shocker. And we are going to dust that all in the crease and in the corner because we're using 2 shadows. So this is going to be our everything shadow. It'll be the transition, the corner. I mean, it's gonna be everything. Just gotta blend it out. Little at a time, blend, blend, blend. Don't want it too intense. It's a pretty dark brown, so you really want to blend. Now we're going to add a little more. Just deepen the corner. You know how I do. You know how I like to do. just fine, as you can see. So there's that. Now we are going to go in with, what are we gonna go in with? Okay, so we're gonna go in with Saturn. And that's going to be our second shade. Going to use another different E.L.F. crease brush. Get some of that. Knock off the excess. We're just going to put that right in there on our lid. So there, and then you're just going to dab just a little tiny bit for the brow bone, just a little. Can't even really tell it's there, but it's there. My brows are a hot mess, as always. We all know how great I am at brows. Okay, so now you want some liner. What liner do I want to use today? We're gonna go in with a Maybelline Lasting Drama. I'll go in with that on the top. Just a little thin one. Curl some lashes. Wipe this off. Okay. Curl the lashes. Go in with the E.L.F. Waterproof Length and Volume Mascara. I poked myself in the eye. Well, I think we're done with that. Oh my goodness. I think it's waterproof. Holy moly. Poked myself in the eye. Getting it all over. Okay, so we don't put any on the bottom for the daytime look. This is just simple daytime look. So, I'll close my eyes so you can see. And now we're going to transform it after my eye stops watering into a nighttime look. Oh man. Oh, poking yourself in the eye with mascara is not fun. Okay, so now we need to break back in to the Galaxy Chic, and we are going to take the exact same brown on the exact same brush, and we are going to intensify that brown. Make this a little more smoky. Put it on the inner corner of the eye. Oh, squeaky chair. Gonna do a halo eye for the nighttime look. Our brown and gold. You will see how transforming that can be. Absolutely see a difference already. I'm not even done, but you can already see the difference in the day versus the night. And I'm not even done yet. Okay, we are going to take a shadow brush. We're going to use Wet n Wild shadow brush. We're going to wet it. I don't know why I thought I could see that. Wet it. And we're going to put it in Saturn again. This time it's wet. Intensifies the color of that gold. You know what? We need to wet it a little more. It's just not wet enough. All right. Oh yes, it's like a spotlight right there in the middle. Yes. Look at that. Now we're going to go in with the brown. Kind of go over where the gold got up there. Kind of blend it into the gold. Now I'm going to grab a clean blending brush. This is Beauty Accents blending brush. And I'm just going to blend out the edges. Blend the edges, go back in, intensify the crease just a little more. Inner corner, outer corner. Grab that gold again, brow bone. Don't mind me. Hot mess brows. I need to learn how to do my brows better. Blend. It is the key to life. Just blend. Pop a little gold on the inside corner. All right. Take that dark brown and drag it under. Blending brush. Blend it. Take your eyeliner and line the waterline. Like so. Take your mascara. Wow, look at the difference. Pop some mascara on the bottom. We're gonna bust out some fake lashes. And then grab it. Okay. If you want a little wing, if you're good at that, I need to practice the wing for sure. So, you ready for this? Daytime, let's go to work, shall we? Nighttime, let's go to the club, shall we? Not that I ever go clubbing, but like if you have a holiday party, maybe a Christmas party, a work thing or something, go to work. Hey everybody, I'll see you at the Christmas party. Hey, Christmas party it up. So those are two looks. Looks ridiculous next to each other, but two looks, two eyeshadows. Boom. So if you only own two eyeshadows, you can easily do two different looks. You can do a night out. You can do a day of chores, you know? Day of running around. So, yeah, before I film the lovely intro to this, I am obviously, you know what? I think I'll film the intro just like this. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell to become part of the notification nation. And share the video. You can share it. I don't mind. I don't mind at all. And I hope you have a lovely day, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.